Hello guys, I am Banjan Sheikh. I am resident of Ashton. 7 May, Birmingham City Council election. I take decided vote for Shumon Bhai. My humble request, vote for him. He is very honest and very helpful guy. I take decide already vote for him. 7 May. Bangi. Shumon Bhai always fire.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Nufaiz Rayyan, your local councillor candidate for Lozas Ward.
Who is our creator? Who is our prophet? Who is our prophet? Let's go together. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Hi, Sanif and Zafar here, Britain Road, with our brother Ibrahim. Brother Ibrahim, what are we going to say?
Vote for Labour.